All right, a lot of people have remarked how much they like my Eureka griddle. Now, I am in Walmart right now and I found something really, really cool. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so right now Ozark Trail is selling the 2-in-1 butane griddle for $36.08. Now, that contains the griddle and the little stove. And let's read what it says. 2-in-1 butane griddle. It takes butane. So you get the burner, you get the 83.1 square inch porcelain griddle, lasts up to 1.42 hours on high using an 8-ounce butane canister. So that's pretty good, and it includes the carrying case. So let's walk over here. And Walmart has a 3-pack of the butane fuel for $8.23, and they have the canister for $3.12. So you get an hour of cooking with one of these. Now, I would like to say there is nothing wrong with my Ozark grill, but I'll show you what this one will do better. I know, that's my hand right there. See, the heat will be in the center, and my grill, because it's not really made for it, it hangs a little bit over here. It may create a safety problem. So what you don't want is the grill to be over your butane canister. So this looks like the whole surface area heats. So I'm going to bring it down and look at it. No, I didn't take it out of all the packages. All right, I didn't know this before, but I absolutely love this. This has a great cooking surface. You know what's going in my cart today? Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm upgrading again, but I'll get a lot better use out of this and better use out of my butane stove than using the Eureka grill. So thumbs up on this one, and it is $36 at Walmart now. And why do I say that? Because remember, Walmart has a lot of seasonal stuff. This is going to be great. I just got to find a place to put it in my van. Bye. Ready for your yum yum? There you go. That's a little too big for you. I'll break it down.